People spotting. Part 4. In the streets of a city. Learn basic English vocabulary with a ferry.
I'm on the busy street of a city. Come with me to see what people are doing. The street cleaner is sweeping the street with a big broom. He is working hard, even when it's hot. He finds a broken glass bottle. He needs to pick it up. He picks it up and carefully puts it in his cart. He keeps sweeping the sidewalk with his broom. The taxi driver is waiting in his car. He is listening to piano music. A woman carrying a luggage bag waves at him from far away. The woman is in a hurry and looks worried. The driver gets out of the taxi to open the trunk for the luggage. They get into the taxi and quickly drive to the airport. A construction worker is carrying his toolbox. He is wearing a helmet. He drops the toolbox, which almost falls on his feet. He picks it up and goes on his way, singing. He walks to another worker who is laying bricks for a house. They build the house together. The house gets built faster this way. The police officer is standing at a busy place. She hears a car alarm. She runs towards the car where a man is standing. She thinks he is a car thief, but he is the owner of the car. The alarm is faulty. She checks his papers and asks him to get the alarm repaired. The driver drives away in a hurry. He will get the alarm fixed after work. The street artist wants to paint on a big wall. She has 3 paint cans. A freed parrot lands on one of her paint cans. She pauses. The bird flies away and she continues. She paints the parrot in the corner of the graffiti. When she is ready, people come to see her painting. A policeman is also coming. He looks angry. She jumps on her bike and rides away. She doesn't like the police. A food delivery man is riding his bike fast. He has to deliver a pizza in 4 minutes. Suddenly, his bike's tire goes flat. He stops and looks at the tire. He can't fix it in time to deliver the pizza. He locks the bike to a tree and decides to run with the pizza. He arrives just in time and the customer is happy. The customer gives him a tip. A street musician is playing his guitar. There is nobody around him. One of the strings breaks. He changes it. This new string is magical. Many people come to watch him play. They put a lot of money in his hat. He will go home with a lot of money this evening. The bus driver has a full bus. People want to get on, but there is no room. He has to tell them to wait. The next bus is coming soon. Everyone understands and waits for the next bus. The next bus is just a few hundred meters away. When it arrives, everybody is smiling. Everyone can get on it. A waitress drops a plate of food. It's for a table that's been waiting. She swears loudly. She apologizes to the guests and cleans up the mess. She runs to the kitchen to reorder the food. The cook is not happy. The waitress comes with the food in 20 minutes. The food is very good. The customers don't have to pay, but they leave a tip for the waitress anyway. A traffic warden sees a car parked wrongly. He takes out his book to write a ticket. The driver arrives and apologizes. She is really sorry. The warden doesn't give her a ticket and lets her go. The woman likes the warden. She asks for his phone number. She is single, and she is looking for a handsome, kind man. He writes down his phone number with his name. He draws a small heart. A repairman can't fix the light. The new bulb is not working. It will be dark in 2 hours. People will need the light. He tries another bulb. It is working. A little girl claps for him from below. He waves at her. He climbs down the ladder and goes to another lamppost. A landscape gardener is planting new flowers. Dogs keep running through them, which makes the gardener really angry. He puts up a small fence. The flowers are safe. People come and admire his flowers. Some take photos. A tour guide is pointing at a historic church building. She tells the history of the church. Someone asks a question, but she doesn't remember the answer. She suddenly remembers it. The church was built in the 16th century. They walk away and go to the next place of interest. A dog owner is walking his 2 dogs. The dogs see a squirrel and want to run after it. The dog owner holds tight and calms the dogs. One of the dogs poops on the sidewalk. The dog owner bends down and picks up the poop into a plastic bag. He throws the bag into a trash bin. A babysitter and 2 children are walking on the sidewalk. They see a beautiful dog and want to tap him on the head. She tells the children they have to ask for permission.
Can we pet your dog?
Yes, you can.
They ask for permission, and the owner allows them to pat the dog. The children walk to a nearby playground where they play till sunset. A detective is sitting quietly on a bench. He has info about bank robbers. He is watching 2 people by the bank. They look around and talk quietly. The detective keeps watching. They are very suspicious. The people just take money from the ATM. They are not criminals. A photographer is taking pictures in the city. He takes pictures of flowers of a gardener. He takes pictures of a church. He takes pictures of a graffiti. He takes pictures of a new house. He takes pictures of a bank with an ATM. He takes pictures of a squirrel. He takes pictures of 2 dogs. He takes pictures of a bike with a flat tire tied to a tree. He takes pictures of a handsome traffic warden. He takes pictures of a street musician. He takes pictures of a taxi. He takes pictures of a bus. He takes pictures of himself. Dark clouds appear in the sky. It is going to rain. People take out their raincoats and umbrellas. It becomes dark. The streets of this town soon become empty of people. I fly into an office in the high-rise building. Let's see what is happening in the office.
I was flying through the busy street, people talking, cars at my feet. Now I'm heading to an office space where important meetings take place. The office is where you will find me. I watch the workers and all their team. What will happen, you'll have to see. Hit subscribe and come with me. The office is where you will find me. I'll watch the workers and all their team. What will happen, you'll have to see. Hit subscribe and come with